This right here is a boring looking carousel, and here I have created a creative one in the Figma. In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step guide how you can create a carousel like that. Hi, I'm Harpreet Singh from Harpreet Designs and welcome back to my channel. So for the starter, we have a simple looking page here and a couple of cards to work with. So to start with that, just make sure all the cards in a frame, but these are not in the auto layout. Okay. So what we'll do is the first we'll select all of the cards except the second one, because this is the one which will show in the middle. Okay. So then we'll first rotate them. This much, I guess. Yeah, that should be fine. Okay, let's make a component out of it. We'll put it here. Yeah, this way we'll be able to see live changes, right? Then again, we'll select all the cards. Now I'll just try to align everything in the middle so that I can see that how it is going on and how it is working. To create the animation, we need to create multiple components in the same component set. If you don't know about it already, just select the component we have created already. Just go here, that plus icon you can see, right? It says add variant. You just click on that, it will add a variant on that. And I'll click the whole component set and clip content also, because I want to see all the data inside and outside of that component set, right? So this is for the first slide looking like this. For the second slide, we need this card to be here and this one need to move there, right? So there are a couple of things which we need to know. First of all, how much these cards are rotated. It's on 30 degrees. These all are on 30 degrees, right? So this one will move it to like 30 degrees. We'll move back it to 0. And then we'll select all of our cards and move them all to the right. Then we'll click on this one and here's the plus icon again. You click on that, it'll add the variant and we'll repeat the process once again. Okay, so once we are done with the whole card moving thing, now we just need to prototype stuff, right? Let me clip the content whichever is outside of the content set. So let's go to prototype, select the first component and prototype it to the second one. It will be on click, smart animate is out, right? Same goes for this one. We'll do it here. For this one, we'll do it here. For this one, we'll move back to the top. Okay. So we have populated the same component here already. Let's see if it works. Okay, before we do that, we'll move it to the back. We'll copy it, move it to the front. So for this one, we'll keep it the stroke. Okay, let's play and see. Okay, so this design, there you go. When you click on that, it goes on, right? This is how you can create any slider in Figma, and this is as simple as that. Do let me know how did you find it, if this was new for you. There are a lot of other Figma animation videos I have created. I'll link all of them somewhere here or in the description. If you want, you can also go ahead and check. I all the time post content like this on my Instagram. You can always go ahead and check there also or follow me there also. That would be really great. It's free for you guys and it gives me a lot of motivation. Yeah. Do let me know if you have any questions. You can comment me here or you can directly DM me on my Instagram. I'll be available there. And yeah, that's it for the day. Happy designing.